Welcome back, friend. Here we discuss C 4.5 classification algorithm to construct decision tree. Now it is an extension of the ID3 algorithm. So please watch our previous video where we have discussed ID3 algorithm in detail. And here we use gain ratio. And what is gain ratio? Gain A by split info A, and G is nothing but info D minus info AD. So D is a database, A is attribute, and split info is what? Minus J is equal to 1 to splitting attribute dj by D into log dj by D. So please watch our previous video where we have discussed info D, info AD details. Now the attribute with the maximum gain ratio is selected as a splitting attribute. We have a table. Already we have discussed this particular table. In this particular table 14 rows are there, 40 tuples are there, and the attributes are high school, college marks, college marks, sports interested, communication skill, and the campus job, where these four are the attribute, okay, input attribute, and this is nothing but our class level. So high school marks low, medium, high, and similarly college marks low, medium, high, sports interested yes, no, and communication skill great and interested. So this is what our old data, historical data already we have collected. And if the marks is less than 60, it is low marks. If the marks is in between 60 to 80, it is medium marks. And if the marks is in between 80 to 100, it is high marks. Okay, so here we have identified the info D for the whole database. So here we have identified the info D 0.09940, and we have calculated the gain for all the attributes where high school marks, college marks, sports interested, and communication skills are there. So the gain values are 0.246, 0.029, and 0.1591 and 0.048. Okay, and these are what we have calculated. You can see here total 14 data are there, where yes 9 and no 5. And high school marks, in high school marks low, medium, high. If it is low, 2 yes and 3 no's are there. If it is medium marks, 4 yes and 0 no's are there. And if it is high marks, 3 yes and 2 no's are there. Similarly, if it is college marks, low, medium, high. So if it is low, 3 yes, 1 no. If it is medium, 4 yes, 2 no's. And if it is high, 2 yes and 2 no's are there. If it is sports interested, yes, then class level yes 6 and class level no 3. If it is no, class level yes 2 and class level no 3. And if it is a communication skill, so if it is good, yes 6 are there and no 2. Similarly, if it is excellent, 3 yes and 3 no is there. So we have identified the gains. So these are the gain. So please watch our previous video where we have identified all the values in detail. Next, to calculate the gain ratio, we need split info A. So this is what our split info A formula. So you can see here the formula is very simple: dj by D log dj by D. So then for the high school marks, so dj by D means what? 5 by 14 log 5 by 14 minus 4 by 14. So this 5 low marks, 4 medium marks, and 5 high marks, minus 4 by 14 log 4 by 14 minus 5 by 14 log 5 by 14, it is 1.577. Similarly, if it is college marks, then total 4, 6, 4 are there. So 4 by 14 log 4 by 14 minus 6 by 14 log 6 by 14 minus 4 by 14 log 4 by 14, it is 1.577. And if is sports interested, minus 9 by 14 log 9 by 14 minus 5 by 14 log 5 by 14, and it is 0.94. Split info, if it is communication skill, it is 8 and 6. So 8 by 14 log 8 by 14 minus 6 by 14 log 6 by 14, it is 0.985. So we have to calculate the gain ratio, where the gain of high school marks 2.246 divided by 1.577, that is 0.156. Similarly, if it is a college marks, so the gain is what? 0.029. okay, and the split info is 1.577, same, so the value is 0.018. Gain ratio sports interested 0.151 divided by 0.94, it is 0.161, and for the gain communication skill it is 0.049. And we have already know that the attribute with the maximum gain ratio is selected as a splitting attribute. Okay. So out of the from the gain ratio, the maximum value is what? 161 is the maximum value. So what for the sports interested? That means the first attribute will be our sports interested, and if it is yes and if it is no. Clear? Then we have to recursively apply the same algorithm. We have to apply the same technique to identify the next attribute, splitting attribute. Okay, and that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.